Hey guys, it's Andy. I'm going to show you how to connect your iOS device to your Sioeye Iris4G so you can control it remotely. Starting with your camera, go into the Quick Settings, scroll down to select Hotspot, and enable the hotspot. In your phone settings, select Wi-Fi, and you should see the SSID appear under the Choose a Network option. Check the camera screen to view your password and log into the SSID provided. Enter the password and select Join and wait until the network connects. Once you've connected, return back to the Sioeye app and select Remote. Click on your device name and you will open up the remote settings. For more tips and tricks, go to sioeye.com/support.